In this video tutorial, I am going to design a tube mount in Fusion 360. So first of all, verify the units. Go here and browser units. Units are given in millimeters, so change the active units to inches. Click OK. Now select the go to create, and we have to open the sketch. First, we are going to create a sketch, and then we are going to use the extrude to make the solid body. So click create sketch, and when you click create sketch, it will give you three planes. So on which plane you want to draw the base feature. So first feature we called it a base feature because we will work on it and add the other feature on this feature. So that's why we call the first feature a base feature. So we want to open the sketch. I am going to select this front plane, and we have to draw a line. So select the line tool, or we can also use the two rectangle for the tube mount for the base feature. So select the rectangle and draw a rectangle like that. Then give the dimension to this rectangle. So select this line and this line, this total height, we have the dimension of 5.375. And then we have to define the its width. Select this line and add the width 5 inches. Now we are going to select the fillet command. We are going to add the fillet. So select the fillet, select this corner and this point. So it will add a fillet, and we have to define the dimension of this fillet. So the fillet radius is 0.5. Change it to 0.5. Here we can see it. So we added this fillet. Next, select the center diameter circle and draw a circle here randomly, and we will put dimension. Now select the smart dimension tool, find the diameter of this circle, it's 2 inches, and then define the position of this circle. So select this center point and this line and define this dimension. This is 2 inches. And next select this center point and this line and place this dimension, it's 2.5. Okay. So finish this sketch. This is the base sketch, and then use the extrude. So under the extrude type, under the profile, we have to select this area of the profile. We want to extrude it to add the material, make it 3D, and this arrow will appear when you select the profile and this area. So now you can drag this arrow to add the material. And here you can also click here to add this distance also here. So this distance, it's given 1.25 the thickness. So this is the first feature. Then click here to make it isometric. Zoom in or zoom out to make it fit to your view. Now again create this sketch, and this time I am going to select this face, add this sketch. So select this line tool and draw a sketch like that. We can also use the rectangle here, but I am going to draw a rectangle by using the line tool. So draw vertical line, sorry, horizontal line, draw horizontal line, then move above, draw vertical line, then go here to this point to add a horizontal line, and then close this sketch like that. And then select the dimension tool to define the dimension of this sketch. So this dimension we have 1.75. Okay, and the total length of this sketch, so select this line and this edge on the other side, 5.375. Okay, now finish this sketch, and we have like that. Now use the extrude tool, select this area for the profile, and just drag it like that to add this one. And here under the operation you can see join. So basically when the operation is join, it will join these two bodies, these two solid bodies. So drag it here, and this dimension we have to find -5. So the minus is for the direction, so for in this direction. Okay, now we have to make some cuts. So first cut, I am going to create this sketch on this face. Okay, and now draw a rectangle. This will be the first point, this corner, and draw a rectangle like that, and again a rectangle like that. And we can define some um, constraint here equal. So this line and this line we want to make them equal, and this line and this line we want to make them equal. Select and then define the dimension. So between this and this dimension we have 2.5. Okay, and from this point here to this dimension is given as 3 inches. Okay, so we define these two rectangles, then finish the sketch, and now click here on the extrude, and now under the profile it asks which profile you want to cut. So don't go to inner of these two rectangles, go here. So this is the profile which we want to make the cut. So it's in that direction we are adding the material, and if we move it in the other direction where we have the actual material, so this profile will be going to cut the material. So you can also see in operation it's cut. So the question is how much you want to cut. We want to cut 0.375 cut, and here for the direction you can place minus. Okay, so it will using the cut. Okay, so we cut this area, you can see, and again create sketch, and this time we are going to select this face to make a cut, and then select the rectangle tool, and on this point draw a rectangle like that. Now we are going to define the dimension of this rectangle. So this one is 3 inches, and from this side to this side we have this one 1 inch, and then we have to define the this height, it's 0.125. Okay, finish the sketch, and now again use the extrude tool, and for the profile select this inner profile, this inner area of the rectangle, and again we want to make a cut, so we have to change the direction, and so it's cutting the material, and for the extend pipe expand it and select all, so it will cut through all the material, and click OK. So now we added this cut. So we finished this, the tube mount. The design is complete. Thank you so much for watching the video.